PTZOptics is proud to announce our brand new computer programming for robotic camera guide. This guide and included online course will review computer programming languages used to control the robotic movements of PTZOptics cameras. Students will learn multiple methods of remotely controlling robotic actions with a sample IP-connected robotic camera and HTTP protocols. Using IP protocols and connectivity methods, students will use standard programming languages such as HTML, JavaScript, node.js, Python, C, and C++ to take control of precision robotics. This course is supported by a fully managed GitHub repository of sample codes, which include detailed README documentation. Students can refer to the github.com/PTZOptics page anytime to access the downloadable open source codes and fork their own versions of new projects. Please reference the PTZOptics Computer Programming Grant Program for more information about obtaining a PTZOptics camera with special educational or research project pricing. Below is a list of programming languages discussed in this course: HTML, JavaScript, node.js, Python, and C, C++, and Visual Basic are all coming soon to our documentation. Each unit of this course will review a different programming language. Each programming language unit will include a review video discussing the pros and cons of each programming method as they relate to robotic camera control. Each segment will consist of a C4 camera control coding challenge segment, which will be used for students to test their knowledge on each subject. Finally, in-class discussion topics are provided for the full flipped classroom blended learning experience. Students are encouraged to watch the Geek Out podcast session with concluding thoughts from the course authors, engineers, and computer programmers available in the included online Udemy learning course. Each course segment will include a programming language overview, an example code review, a camera control coding challenge, and a podcast Geek Out session. By the end of the PTZOptics Computer Programming for Robotic Camera course, students will have a better understanding of common computer programming languages used for remotely controlling robotic devices over an IP network. Using a fun live streaming IP-connected camera from PTZOptics, students will have the ability to write custom computer programs which can include live video and robust control over robotic actions. Each example lesson will increase in complexity as students progress from basic HTML into more advanced computer programming languages. This course will require the following: a PTZOptics camera, a computer with a text editor, a GitHub account, and a local area network. The following videos and course segments will start with basic camera controls over an IP network. The course will then move through each programming language, explaining the unique properties of each. Follow the programming language overview sessions, and the course will review the importance of GitHub as a central social coding destination for your project. From here, the course will dig into well-documented code provided by PTZOptics available via GitHub. Let's get started.